If a shirt costs 8,000 Nigerian nairas and there is a 25% discount, how much will you pay? A man buys 3 loaves at 450 Nigerian nairas each and pays with 2,000 Nigerian nairas. How much change will he get? If you divide 60,000 Nigerian nairas in the ratio 2:3, how much does the second person get? A taxi charges 300 Nigerian nairas for the first 1 kilometer and 150 Nigerian nairas for each additional kilometer. If a person travels 5 kilometers, how much will he pay? If the perimeter of a rectangle is 40 centimeters and the length is 12 centimeters, what is the width? A trader sells 40% of her tomatoes and has 84 left. How many tomatoes did she originally have? If 50,000 Nigerian nairas is shared in the ratio 4:5:6, what is the largest share? A man buys a phone for 120,000 Nigerian nairas and sells it at a 15% loss. How much did he sell it for? Solve for x. 3x. 8 equals 2x plus 15. A car travels 150 kilometers in 2 hours 30 minutes. What is its average speed?